What is up, YouTube? How goes it? So you know what's better than a gaming laptop? A more powerful gaming laptop. And you know what we're covering today? The Legion 7i. That's right, this bad boy right here packs some serious power. And I actually want to show you guys why this is such an awesome laptop. So we're going to do a quick unboxing in today's video and a first impression. Stay tuned for all that. As always, thank you for watching. Let's get started. So before I get into the unboxing, I just want to quickly run through the specifications I have on this configuration of the Legion 7i. I have a 10th gen Core i7 processor. This comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM. We also have RTX 2060 with 6 gigabytes of VRAM. Furthermore, we get a 500 GB SSD, and of course we get the newest Wi-Fi 6 standard. Furthermore, the display is a 1080p FHD display. It runs at 144 Hz refresh rate, and it has a peak brightness of 300 nits. If you're like me and you ordered the Legion 7i online, you'll notice it comes with two boxes. It comes with a larger box, which most likely has the laptop, and it comes with a smaller box. We'll go into opening the smaller box first to see what's inside it. Starting off the smaller of the two boxes, once you slide past that initial cardboard wrapping, you are welcomed by a smaller black cardboard box. And of course, once you open the black box, the first two things you see is firstly, the wall outlet plug. So this is just a cable that goes from the wall outlet into the charging brick. And of course, the second component is an absolutely monstrous looking charging adapter. Just look at the size of that charging brick. It is enormous. Presumably that's a 230 watt charging brick, which gives you an idea of just how powerful this laptop probably is. Now coming back to the larger box, you can see that you have the Legion branding on the front side all over. As you move to the back side, you can see you have the Lenovo branding. The whole box is wrapped tightly in plastic wrap. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the plastic wrap. I always love doing this part, mind you. Once we remove the plastic wrapping, we can tell right away that the box is a slide top tie design. So we actually remove the upper lid, and right away the first thing you see is this body wrapped in what appears to be soft cloth material. Upon lifting the cloth, you'll quickly see that it's the laptop itself. So once you remove the cloth, which is very nicely wrapped across the laptop, mind you, we can see here it is, the crown jewel, the gem. Wow, this thing looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks more like a professional laptop than a gaming laptop as soon as you see it. But you know what? I'm not gonna complain, this thing looks absolutely amazing. Still here? I'm so happy to hear that. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me grow and keeps me motivated to provide you guys with more quality content. Let's carry on. So now that we finally had a look at what's inside the box, let's have a look at the laptop design itself. Starting with the top side, the first thing you'll notice is the big bold Legion branding. And you can also see in between the O sign you have the Legion branding itself. Mind you, this is RGB lit, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Moving past that, you can also see you have the Lenovo branding on the other side. The entire top side is made of aluminized metal, and it gives it a really nice premium feel. There's no particular texture, but I like that. It's simple. If you look at the hinge itself, it's a spear-shaped hinge, and it's solid. It's also made of aluminized metal. Furthermore, on either end of the hinge, you can see the Legion branding. I'm loving the attention to detail Lenovo's put over here. Past that, you have a big black bar beyond the hinge. Beneath this is the cooling system and a bunch of I/O ports. Speaking of I/O ports, this thing gives a lot of port options. No, really. On one side, you have two USB-C ports, one of which is a Thunderbolt port. Additionally, you also have the headphone jack on this side. On the exact opposite side, you have a USB-A port, but one cool thing about this particular port is that it supports reverse charging, so you could actually connect your phone to this while your laptop is off and charge your phone. Basically, it's a giant power brick. Furthermore, on the rear side, you have a HDMI cable, you have an Ethernet jack, and you have two additional USB-A cables. You also have your DC jack over here. This is where you would plug in the laptop when you want to charge it. Now, if you're like me and you were counting how many vents there are on this laptop, there's a total of 4. That's a lot of vents. So the vents on the rear side are the ones that intake cool air, and the one on the sides are the one that exhaust out the hot air. So this thing has a pretty comprehensive cooling system, as you can tell, and thermal management should be pretty good on this laptop. As far as the bottom side of the laptop goes, it's exactly how you'd imagine. It's pretty boring. You have a passive vent right beneath the thermal management system. This is to let additional cool air into the system while it heats up. Furthermore, the bottom base is made of hard plastic TPU. You have a couple of rubber grips. One interesting thing to note is that on the front edges of the laptop, you actually have the RGB strips. These light up as well, which we'll go into in just a second. The most shocking development happens when you open this laptop for the first time. Not only you open a gaming laptop, you are expecting all kinds of flashy. Not here. The first thing you see is a pretty generic looking large trackpad which has a glass surface. It clicks nice. Moving past that, you have the most standard looking keyboard I've ever seen on a gaming laptop to date. Honestly, this thing looks really standard. No flashy keys, no transparent keys, no excessively large keys, no dedicated gaming keys per se. However, you do have dedicated 10 keys, which is amazing considering it's a 15-inch laptop. Some people might say, whoa, where's all the flashy stuff? I actually really like this because this could easily pass off as a professional laptop as much as it does as a gaming laptop. Moving past that, you have the speaker grill on either side. This is a stereo sound seeker system, so you have real stereo sound coming from those grills. Moving past that, you have the power button right in between. And that is pretty much it as far as the lower body of the laptop goes. Pretty professional. Don't get me wrong, however, this laptop looks and feels really premium. I mean, the entire lower body is also illuminized, so you have that premium feel. Furthermore, Lenovo does flex a little bit. You have the 10th generation Intel branding. Also, you have the RTX branding. Moving past that, you'll notice that the keyboard has a semi-decent travel. It's not the most comfortable typing experience I've had on a laptop. It has a 1.3mm travel, which is average. Other laptops have at least 1.5, but the fact that there's a dedicated 10 key is amazing, especially if you are doing professional work and you need that extra set of keys. Moving upwards towards the display, you'll notice that it is a 15-inch anti-glare screen. This is great for super bright environments. The bezels are super thin and it has a pretty modern appeal to it. At the very top, you have a 720p webcam. One cool thing is that you have a physical toggle to switch the webcam on or off. This is great for people who don't like having their webcam visible for privacy reasons. Moving beyond that, you have a pretty thick chin at the bottom of the display, but you also have the Legion branding over there. It doesn't look bad by any means. Let's move on to the next most important thing in a gaming laptop, RGB lighting. So you can't call yourself a gaming machine and not have RGB in 2020. With that being said, Lenovo makes no compromises. The bottom of the laptop is well lit. You have RGB on the front bottom side. Additionally, the back vents are also RGB lit. This gives a really cool effect, especially when the laptop is running hot. It feels like there's something actually going on inside the internals. Furthermore, as you get to the keyboard, you'll notice the keyboard is fully RGB synced alongside the rest of the body, and the RGB lighting on the keyboard is very nice. As you get to the top side of the laptop, do you guys remember how I told you that O sign has the Legion logo as well? Well, guess what? That Legion logo is fully RGB lit as well. It's subtle but nice, and it syncs with the rest of the body, of course. Finally, I wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of how the laptop performs when it is actually powered on. So this is by no means a full review or a test. However, with that being said, I tried out a couple of games and I have to say that the 7i does not disappoint. It can run most games on ultra high settings, and that's partly because, of course, of that powerful RTX 2060 with 6GB of RAM. You can always go higher up in configuration, but just from this configuration alone, I can tell you this thing packs a serious punch. I will be doing a full dedicated gaming test in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Furthermore, I'll also be doing a battery test and a sound test as well. So all that is coming up very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed my content. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, Soul of Tech, logging out.